So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the spray nozzles in this GE Cafe series dishwasher. As you can see, these are clogged. So in the past, I have been using toothpick and other things, but now I have found this from Amazon. It is a acetylene welding torch tip cleaner. It's I think $5 or $10 from Amazon. So I'm going to use this. These are the tips which are available for cleaning. So any of the right size, this I think seems like a good size. So all I need to do is, without any fear of breaking the tip in, I'm just going to do this. So this is a little thicker. I'll use a little thinner one and use this. This one seems fine. Like this. Like this. And all others. So as you can see, this one already cleaned, the first one. The remaining will also be cleaned. So pretty simple job. You can do it regularly whenever there is a need. Thanks for watching.